Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul from Harbor Freight to do, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is just going to be a quick look at what I got from Harbor Freight. The unboxings will be in a different video. I've showed some of these things before. I picked them up again because I ran out. So I picked up a 5-pack of these twist lock fiber discs, which are Roloc discs. Item number 99985. This is the fine finish aluminum oxide. I picked up, and these are all 2-inch by the way, I picked up some more of these Roloc discs. These are medium grit. Item 99984. Aluminum oxide for deburring, blending, cleaning, and finishing wood, metal, and plastic. I also got the coarse versions. They're all a 5-pack. Item 99983. These are a brown. These are the medium is a red, and the fine is a blue. I really like these from Harbor Freight. I use them on my Milwaukee die grinder, my M12 die grinder. I also picked up a pack of 11. It comes with one 60 grit, 100 grit, and 180 grit sandpaper Roloc styles, as well as it comes with one of each of these guys, brown, red, and blue. Well, this one's actually kind of a green, so it might be a different finish. I don't know. It might be ultra fine, but it's an 11-pack. I didn't really need the coupler, but it doesn't hurt to have an extra one. This one is item number 60753. 6 abrasive sanding pads and 3 grade coarse, medium, and fine. 3 nylon fiber conditioning discs and 3 grade coarse, medium, and fine. 1 coarse fiber paint and rust removal disc. Rubbing backing pad and twist lock pad attachment. Grit guide 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 180, 220, 240, and 320. So coarse is 40, 60, medium's 80, 100, fine is 120, 180. Very fine's 220 to 240, and extra fine is 320, which I've never seen. I've never seen very fine or extra fine at Harbor Freight. It says 60, 100, and 180 grit, so it's coarse, medium, and fine. So I'm assuming there's coarse, medium, and fine of these, the Rolocs, and fiber discs, as well as 60, 100, and 180 grit for the actual sanding discs. It's a nice pack. It's only at $12. These are $4.99 a piece. I also picked up a solid brass router inlay kit from Harbor Freight, which is item number 99552. And I picked up a 9-piece router template guide set, which is item 98361. I picked up a router on Amazon. I picked up the DeWalt 20-volt XR cordless router for $144 instead of the $199. Amazon was doing a deal on it. I also released a video on that. You'll see that video way before this video. The next video, we'll just do an unboxing of everything real quick. I kind of ran out. That's all I have left is this one that I've partially used. The rest are basically gone. So I use them pretty fast. I think I use the 2-inch more than the 3 and more than the 1-inch. And way more than the 4-inch. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Again, today is Friday, January 3rd, 2020. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.